In this video, let me begin with the question number 11, that is divide here. In that first question is minus 70 a cube by 14 a square. So here we need to divide this number by this number here. So let me write like this, 70 a cube by 14 a square here. Now see here, both numbers are even numbers, so we can cancel it by 2 here. So 2 sevens are 14 and here 2 threes are 6, 7 minus 6 left with the 1, 2 fives are 10. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35 here. Now here see here I'm having a cube and here I'm having a square. Both bases are same and this power is greater than this. Right, so what I will do, I will shift this to the numerator. So here what left in the numerator number, that is 5, and here it is having the negative sign. So a cube, let it be as it is. Now I am shifting a square to the numerator. When I'll shift, it will become a raised to the power minus 2, and here it has been converted division to multiplication here. Now see here, minus 5, let it be as it is. Bases are same. When the bases are same, we will add the powers, 3 plus and minus 2 here. Okay, next step, minus 5 a 3 plus minus 2 here. Now minus 5 a 3 minus 2, I'll get 1. So simply just we can write minus 5 a here. Okay, question number 2, divide 24x cube y cube by minus 8y square here. Now see, I'm going to write in this way, x cube y cube by minus 8y square. Now the negative sign which is in the denominator, it means this is not a standard. So to make it standard, we have to shift minus to the numerator. So I'll be having minus 24 x cube y cube by 8y square. Now see here, 8 ones are 8 and 8 threes are 24. So what left? 3 left in the numerator, and here is the negative sign. Now see here I'm having x cube and here don't have any x in the base at the denominator. Okay, so let me write x cube as it is, and here y, and here it is y. So now I am shifting y square to the numerator here. Why? Because this power is greater than this one, right? That's why I'm shifting this to the numerator. So y cube, which is in that place only, when I'll shift to the numerator, it will become y raised to the power minus 2 here. Now minus 3 x cube, the bases are same, so we can add the power, right? 3 plus minus 2 here, minus 3x cube y. Now we will open the bracket, 3 plus minus 2 here. Okay, now in the next step, minus 3x cube y, 3 minus 2, I'll get 1. So simply we can just write minus 3x cube y here. Not necessary to mention the power 1 here. Okay. Question number 3, divide 15 a raised to the power 4 b by minus 5 a cube b. So here I'm going to write in this way, 15 a raised to the power 4 b by minus 5 a cube b, which is not in the standard form because negative sign which is in the denominator. So I'm going to write in the numerator, so it will become in the form of standard form, 5 a cube b here. Now see here, 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. So what left? Minus 3. Now here it is power 4 and here it is power 3. So this power is greater than this and the bases are same. So I'm going to shift a raised to the power 3 to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become a raised to the power minus 3, and here b get cancels. Okay, now bases are same, so we need to add the power. So 4 plus minus 3 here. Now we will open the bracket, 4 plus minus 3 here. Now minus 3 a, 4 minus 3, I'll be having 1, or simply we can just write minus 3 a also. It is not necessary to mention the power 1 here. Question number 4, divide minus 24 x raised to the power 4 d cube by minus 2x square d raised to the power 5. So here I'm going to write in this way, by minus 2x square d5 here. Now see here, minus get cancels, and here 2 ones are 2, 12s are 24. So what left numerical? Only 12. Now look at this. Here both bases are same, x and x, and the power which is greater than this one, right? So I'm shifting x square to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become minus 2 here. Now look at this. Both bases are same, dd, but the power which is greater than this one here. So I'm shifting d cube to the denominator. So d5, it will remain in the denominator only, and when I'll shift to the denominator now, it will become minus 3 here. Now when the bases are same, we will add the powers, right? So 4 plus in the bracket minus 2, and in the denominator d5 plus minus 3 here. Now for the further simplification, we will open the bracket here, 12x4 plus minus 2, okay, and here d5 plus minus minus 3. Okay, now we will subtract the powers. 4 minus 2 I'll be having 2, and here 5 minus 3 I'll be having 2. Okay, now we found the answer 12x square by d square here after division of this question here. Question number 5, divide 63 a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 5 c raised to the power 6 by minus 9 a square b raised to the power 4 c cube here. And here this which is not in the standard form, so let me shift minus to the numerator. So I'll be having 63 a raised to the power 4 b raised to the power 5 c raised to the power 6 by 9 a square b 4 here and c cube here. Now let's do the cancellation here. Now 9 ones are 9 sevens are 63. So what left now here? Minus and 7. Now we will look after the same basis. Here it is a and here it is a, and this power is greater than this. So I will shift to the numerator. So when I'll shift to the numerator, it will become a minus 2. Similarly for the b, okay, b5 into b raised to the power minus 4. Similarly for the 6, c6 into c raised to the power minus 3 here. This dot is nothing but it mentions the multiplication sign here. Minus 7. So when the bases are same, so we will add the power. 4 plus minus 2, and for the b 5 plus minus 4, and for the c 6 plus minus 3 here. Now for further simplification, we need to open the bracket. A 4 plus minus minus 2, for the b 5 plus minus minus 4, and for the c 6 plus minus minus 3 here. Now we will subtract the powers. 4 minus 2 I'll get 2, and for b 5 minus 4 is 1, and for c 6 minus 3, that is 3. So simply we can just write minus 3a square b c cube here. Okay, divide 8x minus 10y plus 6c by 2 here. So what I will do, I will split this 2 for the each term here. So we can write 8x by 2 minus 10y by 2 plus 6c by 2. It means this 2 is applicable for each of this term here. Like, okay, 2 ones are 2 fours 8, and here 2 ones are 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. So what left? 4x minus 5y plus 3c. Okay. Question number 7, divide 15 a cube b raised to the power 4 minus 10 a raised to the power 4 b cube minus 25 a cube b raised to the power 6 by minus 5 a cube and b square here. Now what I will do, I will just split each term here, okay, because this denominator which is applicable for each term of this polynomial here. So I will be writing 15 a cube b raised to the power 4 by, here it is, we are having minus a cube b square here. Similarly with this, I am going to write like this, okay, by here minus 5a cube b square, and don't forget to write the every time minus sign here. Again at this side 25 a cube 6 here by 5 a cube b square here. Now see here 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, and here a cube get cancelled. So here what left? a3, and here b4 which is greater than b2. So let me shift numerator, so it will become minus 2. Now see here minus minus plus, okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Okay, what left? 2, and here it is the greater, so I am shifting 3 to the numerator, so it will become a raised to the power minus 3. Similarly with the b, b3 b raised to the power minus 2, minus minus plus. Now 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. This a cube get cancelled, so what left? 5 and b 6 and b raised to the power minus 2. In the next step, wherever the bases are same, now we will add the power. So here b 4 plus minus 2 plus 2, here bases are same, a 4 plus minus 3, and here is bases are same for the b 3 plus minus 2 plus 5 b 6 plus minus 2. For further simplification, we will open the bracket minus 3 b 4 plus minus minus 2. Similarly here a 4 minus 3 b 3 minus 2 plus 5 b 6 minus 2 here. Okay, next we will subtract the powers. 4 minus 2 I'll be having 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3 I'll be having 1 b 1 plus 5 b 6 minus 2 I'll be having 4. Okay, now simply just we can just write like this, minus 3b square plus 2ab, because power which is not necessary to write if it is having 1. Okay, 5b raised to the power 4. So this is what final answer here. Question number 8. Divide minus 4 x raised to the power 6 x cube minus 21 x raised to the power 4 y raised to the power 5 plus 7 x raised to the power 5 y raised to the power 4 by 7 x square y square. Now I am going to split this term for the this term for the each of the term of this polynomial here. So I'll be writing minus 14 x raised to the power 6 x cube by 7 x square y square. Similarly, I'm going to write for these two terms here. Okay. Now see here, 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So what left? Minus 2. And this power is greater than this. So I'm shifting x square to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become x raised to the power minus 2. Similarly, I'm going to, this must be y, this is okay. Y cube. Okay. So y3 and y raised to the power minus 2. Minus 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. So minus 3. Similarly, x raised to the power 4 into x raised to the power minus 2, y raised to the power 5 into y raised to the power minus 2. Now 7 get cancels, plus x raised to the power 5 into x raised to the power minus 2, and here for the same with the y also. Now the bases are same now when we have to add the powers. So we'll be having minus 2 x 6 plus minus 2, and for y 3 plus minus 2, because we need to add the powers, right? X 4 plus minus 2, for y here it is there now 5 plus minus 2. Okay, here we are having sign plus. Now for the x 5 plus minus 2, and for the y 4 plus minus 2. Now for the next step we need to open the bracket. So I'll be having minus 2x 6 plus minus minus 2. Okay, for y 3 minus 2, minus sign 3 x 4 minus 2 y 5 minus 2 plus sign x 5 minus 2 y 4 minus 2. Now we will subtract the power. 6 minus 2, I'll be having 4. Here 1 minus 3 x square. Here I'll get 5 minus 2, it will be 3 plus x raised to the power, I'll get x cube, y square I'll get. Okay. Now see here, here I have mentioned the power 1 now. So simply we can just write minus 2 x4 y minus 3 x square y cube plus x square y square, because the power if it is 1 it is not necessary to mention. So simply we can just write like this. Okay.